hope you had an awesome Christmas and happy holidays. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed Christmas and the holidays and the food, but now it is time to kind of reflect this year 2020 before we start into the hopefully better year 2021. I got an email from YouTube and they showed me how my channel performed this year, and this would have been impossible without you. So before we get into the tutorial, I really want to share some numbers with you because I was blown away by them. So I got that email from YouTube and they said, Sandra Beesten, when 2020 went off script, you kept us inspired by uploading 411 minutes of content. Your hard work is worth celebrating. All-time highlights. From your first video upload until now, your fans have smashed that like button 42,135 times. You guys are crazy. Keep smashing that like button because that's what I need in order to grow and to fight the YouTube algorithm. Wow. You've inspired some good conversations. Fans left 4,407 comments and shared your content 6,483 times. That is incredible. Wow, I saw that number and I was blown away. Thank you so much. 2020 didn't stop you from making moves. You picked up 19,643 new subscribers and 1.6 million views. Wow, just wow, it's crazy. Fans took 35,974 hours in 2020 to watch your YouTube channel. Almost 36,000 hours. I am so grateful. I'm truly so grateful. Your fans can't get enough. Your videos got 41,321 likes in 2020. You kept in touch with your YouTube community by responding to 2,627 comments. And guys, you know that I always try to reply to every single comment. Sometimes it's hard, but I always give my best. Fans returned the love by leaving 942 hearts and 10 thumbs up in your video comments. 10 thumbs up, guys. You really have to step up that game, okay? Talk about making your mark. Your channel had quite the year. Enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program. Yes, that was so big. And I joined the YouTube Partner Program in May 2020. Thank you so much for this year. I am beyond grateful. But now it is time to look forward to 2021 and to create more content for you. This will be the last video of the year 2020, and I want to finish it off with a little pole dance tutorial. A lot of you ask me how to stand up on the pole sexy in a nice way, to be graceful, and I already made another video for it, but today I am back with a new version how to stand up sexy on the pole, and I really like that one. I show you 3 different variations, 3 different types of grip, and it's also depending if you're more beginner, if you're already advanced, and also what you prefer. With that being said, I hope that you're warmed up already like usual, because then we can go straight into the tutorial. When I do this trick, I always like to wear pleaser boots. These are white flamingo boots, 1020, and they cover the toes so we don't burn our toes, which is really important. Please make sure you warm up. We're going to use our shoulders, arms, wrists, so please do a warm up before you do these exercises with me. Okay, let's get started. That's not the one. The one that I'm going to show you today is this one. I show you the very first one in a split grip. Do it with me together. This is a little bit more advanced, so if you don't have enough strength, then maybe do the other versions. We do a split grip, left hand on the pole, the right hand on the bottom. So make sure that you pull with your upper arm and push with your lower arm. From here we bring the legs to the side where the hand is on the top, which means we go to the left side. So push and pull with your arms. Now lift your knees off the ground slightly. You won't even be able to see it. And then bring both your feet to the left, like this. And from here, we really push with our upper arm and then slide onto the platform. And straighten the legs, and then you can use your left leg and straighten it. That's just something that happens automatically when I do it. Place the hands on the pole, push and pull with your arms, go to the side, slide over the platform, and stand up. Straighten your legs, and now the left leg comes up, and you are now standing. And then you could do whatever you want to do afterwards. One more time together. Push and pull, legs to the side, slide, and stand up. You don't have to do that version with the leg. I just think it looks a little bit better. If you don't want to do it with the leg, that's fine too. And you just stand up and you can continue in your dance. One last time together, and then we move on to different grip positions. So come up, place the hands on the pole, push and pull, go to the side, slide the heels into position, and then slowly come up. If you want, straighten the left leg and then come up. Of course, you can do this also on the other side. So this time, right arm up on the pole, left hand on the bottom. So this time we move on to the right side with our legs. So push, pull, and both legs to the side, slide closer to the pole, stand up, straighten your legs, and now the right leg goes up and the upper body comes up. And from here you can go straight, for example, into a pole dip, and then just continue dancing. One more time together. Place the hands on the pole and feet to the right. Bring them closer to the pole. Straighten the leg. Right leg comes up, and now the upper body. Okay, now we've done it on both sides. We move on to different grip positions. So what we just did was a split grip or a full bracket grip. The next one, we're going to use our forearm, and that one is a little bit easier because you only pull with one arm, and it's also a little bit easier on the wrist. Do it with me together. Left arm on the pole, and now the right forearm pushes into the pole. From the side it looks like this. I always point my index finger up. I push into the pole with my forearm, and the other hand is on top. So from here, same thing. We move our legs to the left side, to the left, and now we really pull with our top arm and bring the legs up and stand up. If you want, use your left leg, and then you can start dancing. So we do it a little bit faster. Left hand on the pole, right forearm pushes against the pole, and let's go. That's it. So many people find it so much easier to push into the forearm instead of using the arm straight and then pushing into the pole with your hand. Just try it out what works better for you. One last time on this side, and then we move on to the other side. So left arm on the pole, right forearm pushes into the pole, and let's go. To the side, feet closer to the pole, straighten your legs, and come up. Other side. So right arm up on the pole, left forearm pushes into the pole, and now we go to the right side. And come around, heels closer to the pole, straighten the leg, and right leg up, and upper body up. That's super easy. No, it's not super easy, but you will get there. The most important thing is that you always point your toes. Always. Right arm up, left forearm pushes into the pole, and around, closer to the pole, come up, right leg, and here we are. You get the point. Let's just move on to the next variation. The next variation is a variation where you hold onto the pole on chest height, and you don't use your forearm grip, and you don't grip like this. It's just a basic grip on chest height, and you push also into the pole to bring yourself away from the pole. Otherwise, we just smash into the pole and then hurt ourselves. Left arm on the pole and right arm on chest height, and then you push into the pole. Our legs are gonna go to the left side. Pull with your left arm, push with your right arm. Go to the left side and then come up like this. For me, that is the easiest version that flows the most. If you feel like you're getting too close to the pole, then play a little bit with the bottom arm where you place your hand. And let's go. One last time on that side. Pull with your left arm, push with your right arm. Come to the side, come up, left leg, and here we are. You move on to the other side. Bring your right hand on the pole, left hand pushes into the pole. And again, see where your hand needs to be. It's usually at around chest height, but yeah, it's different for everyone. So just see what works for you the best. This time we go to the right and come up, bring the right leg up, and here we are. This is also a very good conditioning exercise. When you do that over and over again, your shoulders and your arms, they get really, really strong. Okay, right hand on the pole, left hand pushes into the pole, and we go to the right side. Bring the shoes closer to the pole, bring the bum up, and now right leg comes up, and we straighten our upper body. One last time, we're almost there. Get into position. One last time, you can do it. And come up and step, and then you can do whatever you feel like. Thank you so much, guys. I see you in the next year, 2021. This is going to be a year that will be better. Okay, guys, I see you in the next year. And I'm sliding. And I really I really hope you can't hear those birds. Welcome to Australia.